Welcome to our world of fun! Let's learn together! It's time to study! Let's go! Welcome to Study Study! Let's see the UK and London, now for India and New Delhi. And Brazil's capital, Brasilia. Let's keep studying together. Hey there, little explorers! Let's learn countries and capitals! Japan's capital is Tokyo. And Paris belongs to France. Let's discover the whole world.
Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Study Study. Are you ready for an exciting trip around the world? Today, we'll discover 50 amazing countries, learn their capital cities, and recognize their beautiful national flags. From the United States to Nepal, every country has its own special capital and unique flag. So get ready to learn, explore, and have fun. Let's begin our world adventure. United States, Washington, D.C. Canada, Ottawa. Mexico, Mexico City. Brazil, Brasilia. Argentina, Buenos Aires. United Kingdom, London. France, Paris. Germany, Berlin. Italy, Rome. Spain, Madrid. Portugal, Lisbon. Netherlands, Amsterdam. Belgium, Brussels. Switzerland, Bern. Austria, Vienna. Russia, Moscow. Ukraine, Kiev. Turkey, Ankara. Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. Qatar, Doha. Israel, Jerusalem. Egypt, Cairo. South Africa, Pretoria. Nigeria, Abuja. Kenya, Nairobi. Morocco, Rabat. India, New Delhi. Pakistan, Islamabad. China, Beijing. Japan, Tokyo. North Korea, Pyongyang. South Korea, Seoul. Thailand, Bangkok. Vietnam, Hanoi. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Singapore, Singapore. Indonesia, Jakarta. Philippines, Manila. Australia, Canberra. New Zealand, Wellington. Greece, Athens. Sweden, Stockholm. Norway, Oslo. Denmark, Copenhagen. Finland, Helsinki. Ireland, Dublin. Poland, Warsaw. Czech Republic, Prague. Nepal, Kathmandu. Wow, great job, little explorers! Today, we learned 50 amazing countries, their capital cities, and their beautiful national flags. Keep practicing, and soon you'll remember them all. If you enjoyed this world adventure, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new learning adventure with Study Study. See you in our next exciting video. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends!